Man, so we were just out here riding and these two beautiful exotic cars show up out of nowhere. We got the Lamborghini Aventador that was at the hotel, and then the Ferrari 458. Oh my gosh, I love them both, but I would definitely take the Lamborghini. This thing is nasty. My gosh, look at that thing. So amazing. And the guy says he has a McLaren too at home, so must be nice. And then we got the Rari. This thing sounds so sexy. 458 Spider, man. It's not often you get to see cars like this all the time. And what's the perfect place to see them at is at the Tail of the Dragon. Alright. We finna go have some fun with these boys. Running against a Lamborghini Aventador. Can the old gsxr keep up? I got the Ferrari behind me. Man, this is gonna be fun. It sucks, I really don't know these roads right here. Hopefully they do. That was nice. I like that.
This power is them. Huh? Top on this today? They always get dragging out. There they go. Dude, you can float it by. You can.
Oh yeah.
It's open. You don't get ties.
That was nice. Yeah, I was just like, is that how hard is this turn gonna be? I don't know, because I wanted to just keep going, but then I'm like.
That's why when I go to the front, I can push hard because we know this road really well.
Yeah.
100 and something mile to this curve hard.
Oh my gosh, so early. What's up guys, it's me Eric B and welcome back to the channel. And it is early as crap in the morning and I haven't gotten up this early in a really long time. But today's gonna be awesome because we are on our way to Tail of the Dragon. So I'm waiting for my buddy Matt to show up and we're gonna get the bikes loaded up on the trailer and make our way over there. Yeah. Look at those two sexy machines. It's gonna be fun. Gotta get some coffee. I just want to get a small regular coffee.
Have a great day.
And judging by my shirt, you can definitely tell who rides the gsxr. Alright, so we have finally made it to the Tail of the Dragon. I think it's going to be a fun day. We're just going to do a nice little recon here. I've never been here before, but Matt has. So, going to get warmed up a little bit. Other than that, guys, I want to find some scenic spots to take some photos and stuff and just have a little bit of fun. Yeah. It was a gsxr. Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. Nice. Tennessee. Get some sweet riding in, and you get some awesome landscape at the same time. Oh man, I don't think this is gonna look as good on the GoPro as it does in person. If you guys have the chance to come to the Tail of the Dragon, definitely do it because it's totally worth it. It's awesome. Alright guys, so we're back from a long day of riding. Pretty awesome. It was pretty good that we got to meet up with the guys with the Lamborghini and the Ferrari, play around a little bit and have some fun, hit the Dragon a few times, and we're going to do it all again tomorrow. So just want to show you guys our digs here. See what we're working with. This is pretty cool up here. A little room here. And this cool thing out here, I'm gonna have to jump in this bad boy. Hot tub. Too hot in the hot tub. Yeah. So that is it, guys. So I will see you in a few. All right, and we're back. So day 2, nice and refreshed. Just went down, had some breakfast a little bit ago. Rained a little bit last night, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. Roads are starting to dry up, and we're about to go hit the Dragon a few more times. Just in case you guys didn't know, it's 100% gas. Not 50, not 75, 100. Freaking love it out here. This is awesome. So Matt is jumping on my bike and I'm jumping on the R1. Doing a little switcheroo here. Just want to feel the difference in the curves and stuff between the two bikes. So here we go. Oh, exhaust sounds so good. I'm so used to my display. This is a lot smaller, but the color on it looks really good. So I rode this thing earlier and holy crap, Like, it's got some torque, man. I was in second gear and it was trying to wheelie on me. Right there. It's because that front wheel just comes up. So this thing honestly feels like it has more torque than my bike right now, but I think I need to get mine remapped. It's flash, but it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't pull the way that I think it should. Let's see how it handles in the curves compared to the old gsxr. Keep forgetting he doesn't have an auto blip. Alright, so I think this, and even Matt said it, that the R1 has a more raw feel to it. He said that my gsxr, when he rode it, it felt more refined and a little bit smoother. So, which is crazy because when I jump on this bike after riding mine, I feel that this is smoother. So I don't know.
Yeah, you have zero engine braking, bro. Zero.
Okay, yeah, this. Yeah, try, yeah, you can feel it on it. Now, as far as throwing it in, I don't really feel that much of a difference. Yeah, as far as like leaning and stuff like that.
Like you have like I'll be in second doing 40, 45 on mine. If I let off, it's like, yours is like,
and I got to use so much more brakes, like just to
see why you complain about the brakes.
So between this and my bike, I don't think they handle that much differently. I mean, I'm sure on the track, like when you're going a lot faster, it might be a little bit different. And you have a better rider. Thanks. Nice.
Somebody laid it down coming around the corner.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go around that corner about 30 yards to the other side.
Okay.
The ambulance. And they hadn't even put him on the stretcher yet, so it's probably gonna be a little while.
Yeah. I guess we ain't going that way. You want to take a break?
Between the next, I don't know.
He says it's gonna be a while before.
I don't know if we turn right, what's further down?
Oh, if we go back out that way and go right? I don't know. Do you guys know what's, if we go back out and then go right, what's further down? Do you know what's down there?
5 miles up the road, there's a Harley shop on the right.
Oh.
And then you keep on going, and there's like a little grocery store and a clothing store and like slash restaurant. You can take a left there, take back off into the mountains. You can keep on going straight all the way out 129.
All right, so we're gonna mess around a little bit longer here, try to wear out these chicken strips a little bit more before we jump back on the road and head home. But hopefully you guys are enjoying the content from our trip to the Tail of the Dragon. It's been an absolute blast. If you have not been here yet, definitely schedule a trip because it's totally worth it. So much fun. I think it's 318 curves and 11 miles, I believe. But yeah, so if you guys are liking what you're seeing, definitely give me a like. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Alright guys, newsflash. So I went down right at the end, right when we were getting to load the bikes. As you see, I cracked the windscreen, scraped some stuff up. It's just cosmetic, it's not too bad. I actually rode the bike back just to verify. I went down the road before we loaded it. Everything seems to be fine. stator cover, a little bit on the tank. And then the spool is gone. Yeah. So what had happened was I was in, I think there was like one more turn before we got to the hotel, and I wasn't even going that fast, but I don't even remember, everything happened so quickly. Front tires locked up, or front tire locked up, released that, and then I was basically skidding. I was kind of like drifting sideways for like a while. I was just drifting. I thought I could like kind of ride it out, and then once it caught traction, it just threw me over, so I kind of high-sided. And basically did a little combat roll, hopped right back up, got the bike out of the road before anyone was coming. And then once my buddy caught up, I just rolled it out down the hill. It wouldn't start for a second. We let it sit, started the bike up, and then it rode fine after that. So it's just cosmetic. It just sucks, man. This bike is scarred now. Now I gotta fix some stuff on it, and got a little story to tell. But overall, not too bad. So it is what it is. But now you guys know. So see you in the next one. Peace.